Hello guys, today we are going to solve Agniveer Army GD 18th April 2023 paper. So let's start guys. So first question is, what were the permanent shelter of Jain and Buddhist monk called? So for this the correct answer is guys Vihar. So next question guys, who has been appointed as governor of Jharkhand as on February 2023. For this correct answer is guys option 4 CP Radha Krishnan. He was the 10th governor of Jharkhand. So next question guys, which of the following country will host the 2023 Women's T20 Cricket World Cup? So for this correct answer is option 4 South Africa. Next questions guys, the Attorney General of India is the dash of the Governor of India. So for this correct answer is option second Attorney General, Chief Law Officer. Recently, who has been appointed by the government as a Chief of Defence Staff? Option first Upendra Dwivedi, option second Amarendra, option second Amardeep Singh Bhinder, option third Manish Mohan Irre, option fourth Anil Chauhan. For this correct answer is guys Anil Chauhan. Next questions guys, who is popularly known as Netaji? Option fourth MG Ranade, option second Mahatma Gandhi, option third Gopal Krishna Gokhale, option fourth Subhash Chandra Bose. For this correct answer is guys Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. Odisha Division, Bengal Province. His birth anniversary of Netaji on 23rd is celebrated as a Prakram Divas. Prakram Divas. Next questions guys, which of the following country was the runner-up of FIFA World Cup 2022? For this correct answer is guys France. Next questions guys, with which country does India conduct Harimau Shakti exercise? So for this correct answer is guys Malaysia. Exercise Harimau Shakti is an annual training event between the India and Malaysia Army which is being conducted since 2012. Next questions guys, the ancient Harappa city of Lothal is located in the state of. For this correct answer is guys Gujarat. Next questions guys, who was the Viceroy during the start of non-cooperation movement? For this correct answer is guys Lord Chelmsford. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Lord Chelmsford served as a viceroy on the India from 1916 to 1921. So for this question's answer is Lord Chelmsford. and his tenure also two major events is happened. First one is third Anglo-Afghan War, and second one is Banaras Hindu University was established. Next questions, guys. What is the full form of MP in Parliament? So for this, correct answer is, guys, Member of Parliament. Option second, Parliament. Next questions, guys. What is meant by sex ratio? So for this, correct answer is, guys, number of females per 1,000 male. Correct option is second. Next questions, guys. Largest inland saline water lake in India is. For this, correct answer is Sambar Lake. Option second, which is located at Rajasthan. Rajasthan touches three districts: Jaipur, Ajmer, and Nagaur. If we are talking about regards of other options, Chilka Lake, it is the largest lagoon lake in India. It is situated in the state of Orissa. Lonar Lake, it is a natural saltwater lake formed by asteroidal collision, which is located on the Maharashtra Budhana district. And if we are talking about the Ular Lake, it is the largest freshwater lake in India, located in J&K, Bandipura district. Next questions, guys. Agra is situated on the bank of the river. Answer, correct answer is Yamuna. Next questions, guys. Which scheme has been approved by the central government for recruitment of youth in armed force? So for this, correct answer is, guys, Agnipath. The youth selected under this scheme will be known as Agniveer. So Agnipath, under its come the Agniveer. Next questions, guys. The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the weight of object. So for this, correct answer is option first. Actually, it is defined as the force of attraction between two free objects towards each other. So for this, correct answer is option first. The male and female sex cell choose to form a. For this, correct answer is zygote. Option second. Next questions, guys. The angle of incidence is the angle between. Option is incident ray and mirror surface. Option second, reflected ray and mirror surface. Option third, normal of the surface and incident ray. Option fourth, normal on the surface and reflected ray. So for this, correct answer is, guys, option third, normal on the surface and incident ray. Next questions, guys. The unripe mangoes contain. Option first, oxalic acid. Option second, lactic acid. Option third, ascorbic acid. Option fourth, tartaric acid. So for this, correct answer is, guys, tartaric acid. Next questions, guys. The pH value of milk is 6.6. For this, correct answer is, guys, third. Next questions, guys. The waves used in common TV remote control are. For this, correct answer is, guys, infrared ray. Next questions, guys. The smallest living cell is that of a. For this, correct answer is, guys, mycoplasma. Next questions, guys. Which of the following are primary colors? For this, correct answer is, guys, red, green and blue. Option first. Next questions, guys. Which vitamin is used by the body to help blood clotting? For this, correct answer is, guys, vitamin K. Next question, guys. Which part of the flowers form these seeds? So for this, correct answer is, guys, ovule. Option first. Next question, guys. At puberty, testosterone in human beings is related by. For this, correct answer is, guys, testis. Next questions, guys. The part of magnet from where magnetic field line emerge is known as. For this, correct answer is, guys, North Pole. Next questions. Chemical formula of magnesium oxide is. So for this, correct answer is, guys, option third, magnesium oxide. If you're talking about some other facts regarding this questions, so for this is called magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate, and this is called magnesium dioxide, and this is called magnesium hydroxide. Next questions, guys. Who discovered the hormone insulin used to treat diabetes? For this, correct answer is, guys, Frederick Banting. Sorry. So for this, correct answer is option first. Next questions, guys. Substance which has bitter taste and doesn't change the color of blue litmus, it is called base. So option first is the correct answer. Given 18%, it means 300. 48% means just cut down. 3 8 are 24. Carry 2, 3 4 are 12, 12 to 14. So here correct answer is option third. A runner cover a distance of 300 meter in the 30 second. Find the speed in kilometer per hour. So here given first. So we know the speed is equal to distance by time. So first of all, keep down. Distance is given and time is given 30 seconds. So here it comes 10 meter per second. So you need to change the kilometer per hour. For this we multiply 18 by 5. So here comes 36 kilometer per hour. Next questions, guys. The average age of members in a family is 46. So first of all, you found sum of the average. So for the sum of the average, just multiply the number and the average of that family. So it's come 5 6 ja 30, 5 4 ja 20, and carry to 22. Next, one family member got married. One family member got married, it means one family person's increase, average is decrease 3. So average decrease 3, again multiply it, and you got the sum of the another portion of questions sum. So 6 3 ja 18, carry 1, and 6 4 ja 24, and 1 25. Just subtract it. So find the age of new family member. So this is the something is missing. 5 6 ja 30, carry 3, 5 4 ja comes 33. So it's the 28. So for this correct answer is guys 28. Next questions guys. The average weight of 8% increased by 2.5 when a new persons come in the place of one them weight 65 kg, then might be weight of a new person. So for this 8%, so member is 8 and we don't know the average, so let x, so its sum of comes 8x, and other portion of this questions it's increased by 2.5 kg. So 8 plus x, if we want to get the another part of this question, so 8x plus 2.5. So and next, when a new person come in the place of one of them weight 65 kg. So for here, and let new person's weight is y, one place them weight 65 kg. So let's arrange the equation at x y minus 65, new persons come, and it's equal to 8 into x plus 2.5. so let's solve it. Here 8x plus y minus 65, 8 is just multiply, and 8 into 2.5 it's multiply is equal to 20, sorry. So next 8 is cancel, so y equal to 65 plus 20, it means 85 kg weight. For this correct answer is third. Next questions guys. What will the simple interest of a sum of rupees 12,000 at the rate of 15% per annum for 3 years? So this is a simple, we just solve it guys. Here we know the simple interest formula is t by 100. So just put down their values, and rate is given, time is given, just solve it. So for this correct answer is guys 15 3 is 45, and just 12 multiply, 12 5 is 60, and 12 4 is 48, and 6 54. For this, correct answer is, guys, option third. And this is the simplify the ratio. So nothing else, just cut down 7 3. So 3 by 7, just you need to divide 7 4 ja 28, and for this is only the starting with the 4. So correct answer is option first. Next question is, guys, find the area of circle whose diameter is 14. So diameter is given 14, so r is 7. So area of circle is pi r square. Just put down 22 by 7, 7 into 7. So for this, we solve it. 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14, and 144. 7 2 ja 14, and 7 2 ja 14, 115. So 154 is the correct answer, guys. Next, so here given, guys, x plus y is equal to 6 and x into y is equal to 8. So let's for this we use this formula, just like a minus b whole square equal to a plus b to the whole square minus 4ab. We are using this formulas. So let's, this is first equation, this is the second equation. So just first of all put down the form of the xy. X minus y to the whole square equal to x plus y to the whole square minus 4xy. So we know the value of x plus y is equal to 6, minus 4 into x y, we know the also 8, and we don't know the this one. So just solve this. 36 and this is 32, it will become the 4. It means x minus y, so it's come under root, this square is come here. So x minus y is equal to 2. So by the equation of 1 and 3, 1 is this one, and this is just let down, this equation is 3. So by the help of equation 1 and 3, you will get y is equal to 2, so x is equal to 4. For this, correct answer is this. Next questions, guys, here given 273 by x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 273 by 3, so 29 and 1. This is the correct answer, guys. Sorry, option 4 is the correct answer, guys. Next questions, guys, here given the simplification, so just solve it. 15 minus 45 minus 15, it means 30, plus 12 142, divide by 6 and 7, so 6 is the correct answer, guys. For this next questions, guys, we need to sum it. So just write down like this: 2x cube minus 3y square, 4x cube minus 3y square, 6x cube minus 3y square. Sorry, here plus x square. Solve it. So 10 to 12 x cube plus, here this is the cancel out, just 3y square. So let some common, if we take the common 3, so here 4x cube plus 1y square. So 3 4x cube for this correct answer is guys option third. Next questions guys, the sum of two number is 45 and their ratio is like that 7x plus 8x is equal to 45. So if x is equal to this is add 15, so x is equal to 3. So just multiply the both of ratio 21 24. For this correct answer is guys option second. Here given transversal line P intersect line M, find the complementary angle of x. So as per the this angle is equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle, so we know that. And also according to the rule, for this transversal intersect line, so for this angle equal to this angle, so let's we find this angle, we can automatically equal to this angle. So you know this line is 180, so minus 115 degree, so have 5 and 7 minus 1 60, so this is the 65, so that's why x is equal to also 65 for this angle. So if we talking about the complementary angle means always 19 minus 65. So here 5 8 minus 2, so 25 is the correct answer guys. Next questions guys, here given A and B together can complete a piece of work. A and B can work together in 20 days, so we don't know their LCM total work and we don't know this efficiency also, but B can work 25 days alone. So just think that but here is given 20 days the work is finished, so which is the keeps the value number of this, then we can divide and get the result of 20. So we just pick up the options. So first option keep here 100, so anyhow it comes 5 to addition of this efficiency, so here result will come 20. So let's see, this is not final answer, we just assume that, then it just we solve it, it's come 20. So let's think, and B is also given the he can work alone work 25 days, so what the value put how here to it's divide here to come 25, so just 4, so here is 5, so here comes 4, so here we have to put down 1. So let's then here, so A can alone complete the work how many days, so A efficiency is 1, so he can work 1 by 1, it means 100 days. So for this guys correct answer is 100. Next questions guys, this is the simplification 2.5 1.37, so 12 carry 1 5 6 and here 1, just subtractions here is given 6, so one option is here for the last digit is 6, so correct answer is guys option second. Next questions guys, Bristol's brush, so Bristol's also they want their parts, so similarly strings and guitar is the correct answer for this is the strings is the part of guitar and this is the some different things. So next questions guys, in the certain code given PAISE, and their code is QBJTF. You are given 1 increment, guys. So similarly, DFBTF, for this is no, actually this is given for this. These are also the increment, guys. 1 increment. So just write down the question part. Triangle. So this for you, SPO, USB-O, 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 GH, USB-O, HG. So for this, correct answer is 4th. Let's solve it. So here this is also one type of reasoning, guys. Just double. So here is 36, correct answer is here given. Foster dance and like that. So we just thinking no any other way. Just count down. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 ja 1 2 3 4 5. Just it is 5 ja. Similarly here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 ja 49. Correct answer, guys. Next, in a code language, if Hindi is coded as a like that HINDI, so here given IKQHN, so just increment it is also, guys. HI 1 increment, IJK 2 increment, NOPQ 3 increment, just ascending order. Like this is also similar pattern followed. M N A B C N C, where is given NC. For this, correct answer is, guys, option first. If this video is little informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want this types of more video, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.